We now delve into other stories, and the founder of All People's Congress APC, Hassan Ayariga, has called on government to put measures in place to ensure the welfare of doctors and nurses in the maritime sector in order to motivate them to do their work effectively.
Founder of All People's Congress APC, Hassan Ayariga, has urged the government to put measures in place by providing doctors and nurses in the maritime sector the needed tools and equipment needed to ensure their smooth operations to make their work easier and efficient to ensure development in the country.
The celebration of the 5th anniversary is something that we should encourage it. That's number one. Number two is also that I'm appealing to those hospitals not to only look at their infrastructure development that is good, but then they should also make sure that nurses and doctors are taking proper care and giving the best kind of treatment. Their salary should be looked at, because when the nurses and the doctors are not getting good salary and good accommodation, they tend to look elsewhere to get good accommodation. So my appeal to the CEO of this hospital is to work on the salaries and accommodations of nurses and doctors, so that they will have a better way of living. And when they have a better standard of living, they are happy coming to work and they open all their hearts to able to serve people properly.
He also reiterated the need for government to tackle issues of illegal mining that has become a major canker in the country's growth.
The illegal mining in Galamsey has been a trend that is actually destroying our water bodies and our farmlands and our trees and all that we can think of. So if government wants to fight illegal mining, government must fight it head on. When I say head on, government must fish out all politicians who are into illegal mining, because the illegal miners are not just ordinary miners. They are covering for politicians and big businessmen in this country. And that is why it's very difficult to stop illegal mining. We should moderate it, we should regulate it, we should educate them, so that illegal mining can be properly done, so that we don't have to destroy water bodies, we don't have to destroy farmlands, we don't have to destroy properties and all that. We're not following the law, we're not punishing those who break the law, and we're not regulating the mining sector very well.
Dr. Akwesi Efriye Echampon, who is the CEO of International Maritime Hospital, also had this to say.
If you go to some hospitals, they say there's no bed, what I call no bed syndrome. Here we have beds. Okay, so you should not be running around chasing, ambulance chasing you around, or you're going to a different hospital. IMA is your best place. You provide exact same care, or some places better care than any other hospitals in Ghana. You can provide exact same service, and we save you money from going somewhere else. But in terms of the local clients, we do have a service that can be provided to anybody. It doesn't have to be only GPHA members. It's for anybody who can access the service, will be available and help them.